Greetings, fellow Bay East members, and welcome to our State of the Association video. Let's start with real estate markets and membership. Sales volume is still well below where we were this time last year. What does this mean for Bay East? In the short term, Bay East membership is still robust in terms of current members who are renewing their membership and new real estate professionals joining Bay East. Bay East is helping its members navigate shifting market conditions by providing new MLS resources. Our data share with the combined Los Angeles Westside MLS allows MLS subscribers to search more than 40 areas in Los Angeles and gives agents in Southern California access to data from 16,000 real estate professionals in the Paragon system. The new Home Source Professional highlights newly built homes for sale. A new MLS field name HOA Management Company is now available, and the clickable HOA name field pick list for Alameda and Contra Costa counties is now aligned with the California Homeowners Association's website. We're also excited about new member benefits, including Rate My Agent, a marketing tool that enables agents to build their online reputation through client testimonials and reviews. Market Intelligence, the new Realtor Property Resource, RPR, shareable market trends has instant access pricing information, listing statuses, inventory levels, and more. We also just released a Bay East Buzz video about using this cool resource. Let's get together. We've held several in-person training and networking events this year. During May, we hosted Fresh Start, A Time for Growth, that featured a great presentation from Fong Law, the Alameda County Assessor, a demonstration of AI tech by Bay East staff, and a presentation about fair housing issues by Pulitzer Prize-winning journalist Bill Dedman. During June, a bunch of us were at the Bay East Foundation tournament at Stonebrae TPC in Hayward. What fun that was. A great time was had by all while we were raising funds for the foundation. Thanks to everyone who participated in the 2023 Bay East Member Survey. We heard you need more marketing resources, housing marketing information, help understand new tech, especially artificial intelligence, and you want to learn more about Bay East member benefits. We are on it. What's your voice in government saying? A lot from Bay East. So far this year, we've worked on rental housing policies in Alameda County and San Leandro, and we're currently working with Dublin and Livermore on their sign ordinances. This just in from NAR. Kevin Brown, Bay East member and 2014 president of CAR, was elected to serve as the 2024 NAR first vice president. Jennifer Brancini, 2014 Bay East president and current 2023 CAR president, was also elected to serve as regional vice president. The State of the Association is strong, but you can make it even stronger by getting involved. I'm sure there's a committee or other volunteer leadership opportunities at Bay East with your name on it. Where do I start? Well, let myself, a Bay East board member, or Bay East staff know that you're ready to give back. And finally, thank you all for the opportunity of allowing me to serve as your president. It has been the thrill and an honor of a lifetime.